The good thing about wildflowers is you never know what you're gonna come up with. This is all my wildflowers. I don't tend them, I water them sometimes, but you see, and they make some of the most beautiful flowers you have ever seen. They, they grow easy, there's no maintenance, and they are basically starting to come out all over the yard. They're outside the farms, growing just everywhere now. Growing there, that's the birds reseeding for me. They everywhere. And I got another bunch of them over there. I started this years ago when we do a travel like North Dakota, South Dakota, Texas, wherever. Anytime I'd find wildflowers, I would collect the seeds and bring them home. Some of them grew, some of them didn't. And these are some of the ones that's over the years that keep coming back. They reseed themselves, and they're doing quite a job too. I started off with this one bed right here. The one I just showed you over there was the other bed. And I have these growing around my blueberry bushes now. I planted those last year. I had an excess of seeds, and I figured I'd go ahead and just put them here and see what would happen. Well, I see what has happened. They are growing all up under my blueberries. Like I said, there's no maintenance. I water them. If it don't rain for 3 or 4 days, I will water them. And when I do water them, you see what happens. They come out like crazy. I mean, they really go. Anyway, Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley Bug. Please like and subscribe.